Companies are now hiring for sustainability and net zero roles, but most people don't even know how to enter this field. Today, I will show you a free certification course from a United Nations platform that you can complete in just 1.5 hours. And the best part, you don't need any prior experience, you don't need any technical background, but this course can still help you start building a career in a climate and sustainability. Let me show you everything step by step. So, friend, you can see here this is the platform of UNCC, which is a global initiative supported by the United Nations to provide learning on climate change. And this course is called, you can see here, that is a Net Zero 101 what, and how. Now, before we go further, let's understand what net zero actually means. Net zero means balancing the carbon emissions you produce with the carbon you remove from the environment. And talking about the our real example, a company like Google, Microsoft produce emissions from its offices and data centers to become net zero. They use renewable energy, improve efficiency, and offset remaining emissions. So basically, they try to balance what they emit and what they remove. And talking about the individual level, you can contribute, for example, using the local transport, means public transport instead of personal car, reducing electricity usage, switching to sustainable products, and all these actions reduce your carbon footprint. Now coming back to the course, this is a free self-paced course and it is divided into three modules. So you can see the module 1, that is a what is a net zero, module 2, that is a why net zero and how to net zero. Each module is a short and simple and you can complete the entire course in about 1.5 hours. In this course you will learn the multiple things. Talking about the first one, that is a basic of the climate change, then you will learn the global impact of the emissions, then net zero strategies, and how individuals and companies take actions, and practical sustainability solutions. So this type of things you will learn here. And now come to the best part, that is a certification. After completing the course and passing the quizzes, you will receive a digital certificate from a United Nations platform. And friend, for getting this certification, there is a one mandatory requirement, that is you score at least 75% on the quiz of each module. So this is the requirement. And now let's talk about why this is important for your career. So friend, companies like Microsoft and Amazon have already committed to becoming a carbon neutral. And that is why they are hiring for professionals in sustainability, ESG roles, and climate strategy, and this is where you learning starts. So if you have the question that like who should take this course, and then this course is perfect for the students, working professionals, career switchers, anyone interested in sustainability, and people looking for free certifications. So how to enroll in this course? So I will explain you. Before that, if you have not subscribed our channel Info Roshan yet, please subscribe. We are making the free certification courses, jobs and internship opportunity, and technology related videos. So please subscribe Info Roshan. So first you have to create a free account on the UN United Nations website. You can see. For that, you have to click on this login, and this type of window will come. Then you have to enter your details, and you have to create your account, and then you have to enroll the net zero course, and you have to complete all the modules, like I have told earlier, that all these three modules, and you have to pass the quiz with 75%. You can see the requirement is given, and it is completely free and self-paced, so you will get the certificates. And also one important tip here, that after completing the course, you can add this certificate to your LinkedIn profile, which can help you stand out in sustainability related course. And if you are serious about building a career in future skills like sustainability and climate change, this is one of the best free starting points available. I have added the course link in the video description box. Go ahead and enroll today. And if you want more videos on free certification courses, career growth, and high demand skills, make sure to subscribe to the channel, because in the next video I will show you another free certification that can boost your resume instantly. So, friend, please subscribe. Info Roshan. Thank you.